Welcome to Acelab mini tutorials. I'm Bo, a former architectural designer and the Director of Growth and Architectural Relations at Acelab. In this series, we'll be giving you all the best tips and tricks for using Acelab's platform to easily streamline your product specification workflows and discover new building products for your projects. Let's get started. On Acelab, you can easily request lead times, price quotes, or samples for products. You can submit a request by clicking Connect on a product page or from the manufacturer's page. Click Connect next to the name of the product rep. Select a project or add a new one. If you don't have an active project, you can just create one called General Research. This is to help the rep know some key overview details like where you are located. You can select exactly the info you are looking for, whether that's price quotes, lead times, technical data, or even samples. Our system will now find you a local rep to talk with. Once we've found the right person, we will reach out to you by email.